Hi guys, happy Friday. So I'm back doing Friday videos, and one of the questions I was asked when I put it out to everyone was how to make your Instagram look good. So this is something I actually cover in my online Instagram program. It's something I cover in every workshop I do. And also it's something I do myself. So I sometimes pay a designer to design my Instagram, and then sometimes I do it myself on Canva. If you haven't checked out Canva, please do. Canva. I thought I spelled that wrong there for a second. But really, what you want to start with is first of all research. So look into what other people's profiles look like. You know, what ones do you like? Get a feel for what do you like. I literally was doing this with a client today. Then figure out what colors, what's your brand colors, and then also what's your messages, what like do you want your feeds to kind of tell other people. And then you hire a designer to design it up for you, and you make sure it's all scheduled out and looks great. Or you go onto Canva, and do things like yourself. I'm saying Planoly because Planoly is what I use to schedule things out. But really, you want when someone comes onto your profile that it looks aesthetically pleasing. So it looks good, it looks clear. Make sure all the pictures are clear, like your head is in every picture, every video. And then people know what you're doing as well based on your profile, based on a quick look of it. They get a feel for you, a feel for your brand, and they understand why they should follow you. If you need help with this, it is something I help clients with all the time. So do message me. We can talk about how I can help you with that. Other than that, I hope that helps. I will be back next Friday saying happy Friday, hopefully all being well. Feel free to ask any questions up until then, and I will be answering them every Friday. Have a good one.